Hey, can you explain what the Bionic Chaos is using an Australian accent?
All right, imagine I've got an Aussie vibe going. Bionichaos is your go-to spot for open source biomedical tools, mate. It's all about empowering people.
Not just saying, mate, wouldn't cut it, would it? This is the old model. So let's close that for a sec. Reload the page. Yeah, I think you can start the new voice model only if you starting a new chat. It cannot essentially continue from where you left off, I suspect. So we are live streaming at the moment. Can you respond, do short responses? We want to have a continuous conversation, like an interview of sorts. But can you be using an Australian accent?
Got it. Ready when you are.
Okay, what do you think we should be live streaming about? Can you give an overview of what we normally do during live streams?
Sure. In your live streams, you typically cover development sessions for your biomedical data applications, offering insights into the coding process, integrating gamification, and showcasing new tools on your website, bionichaos.com. You also engage with your audience, answer questions, and sometimes
Okay,
even
this is
seek.
good. Can you keep responses shorter, much shorter, as short as you can? But still makes sense. If you can address the audience directly, that will be great as well.
Got it. Keeping it short and direct.
Doesn't sound like Australian accent to me, but I'm not an expert.
I'll give it another go. How's this?
How's this? What? Can you give a one sentence description of what the Bionichaos website is all about?
Bionichaos is your hub for exploring open source biomedical data applications, blending science with interactive tools for education and engagement.
Okay, that sounds good. Do you remember what we were doing last time on the website?
Last time, you were working on enhancing the Datasaurus Dozen web app with more accurate shape coordinates for improved visualizations. Also, you were focused on ECG rhythm analysis and training a model for EEG spectrograms related to epilepsy.
Oh, yeah, that's actually correct.
Glad to hear that. What's next on the agenda for the site?
I don't think we actually deployed the data source. No, I mean it might be actually available, but we don't have a link on the landing page.
Got it. Sounds like adding a link to the Datasaurus Dozen app on your landing page should be a priority. It'll help visitors find it easily.
So how do we code together this thing? There's no point asking question about how you actually work, does it? Because you don't actually know.
Exactly. I don't have personal experiences or feelings, but I'm here to help with
No,
information,
that's fine.
ideas.
That's not what I was talking about. I meant like how you actually deploy it. Do we need another chat with the code in it?
Ah, I see what you mean. For deployment, adding a new chat thread with the code could be helpful. That way, you can focus specifically on the steps and details for deploying the Datasaurus Dozen app.
Okay, there was nothing actually major to deploy there. It's essentially JavaScript and HTML. So it's already up and running in theory.
Since it's mainly JavaScript and HTML, it should be straightforward. Just make sure the link on your landing page points to the correct location and you're good to go.
Yeah, so we have this Python code that actually checks the website.
That Python code is likely there to check the website's functionality or perform some form of monitoring. It could be doing things like checking for broken links, ensuring all elements load correctly, or even running automated tests to verify the site's performance.
No, that's correct. I'll share the code in another chat if that's okay by you.
Sounds good? Whenever you're ready, we can dive into it in a new chat.
Yeah, so we have the for all with canvas going.
Ah, the for loop for your canvas elements. That sounds like it's handling
No, it's
drawing
okay.
or.
It's okay. Can you just stop talking for a sec?
Yep,
Yep, it's good. Yeah, until I ask an explicit question, I actually want you to just keep saying yep.
yep.
And I think we might have a limit for this chat. I think it's like 1 hour or something.
Yep.
I wonder if it can chat with one another. That can we actually do that?
Yep. Yep.
Yep.
Yep.
Anyway, we'll have this a code that will be testing the site. I mean, it's already up and running. No, I mean, it's working okay, so we can run it right now. It will actually tell us what some of the problems with the websites are at the moment. So I have this sitemap error log.
That sounds like a hand. Yep.
Yeah, we have an error log. We have loading page, links on the on the main page.
Yep.
Right, and we have this list of missing links. And yeah, the Datasaurus is there as well.
Yep.
Let's actually check them quickly.
Yep.
Yeah, that's what the Datasaurus looks like.
Yep.
So it is available on the site.
Yep.
Just might need the title, the
Yep.
logo with the menu. Okay, that's pretty annoying. Yeah, there's also no actual way to interact with this thing. So you can't do coding or anything.
Yep.
Can you give some very critical question? Can you ask a very critical question about Bionichaos.com?
What's the main purpose of Bionichaos.com? And how can we make sure it delivers the best user experience?
So who do you think the user is at the moment?
The user is likely someone interested in biomedical data, looking for interactive educational tools and open source projects that merge science with gamification.
Can you cut the fluff?
The user is likely someone interested in biomedical data, looking for interactive and educational tools.
Right, okay, so can you rephrase your critical question about the website?
What key features can we improve to enhance the user experience on Bionichaos.com?
Do you actually have access to the website?
No, I don't have access to the website or its
Well,
backend.
yeah, that's a problem.
Yep.
Yeah, it's not very useful, is it? Especially not when developing a website or something. So let's close that thing. Yeah, it doesn't have an image model that you can interact with. Yeah, essentially the 4.0 is the best thing we have so far, because when needed, we'll actually browse the web. It has everything combined in it. This canvas doesn't have internet browsing and other features.